Hey guys, what is up? So in this video, we're going to talk about profitable networking. So in this industry, it's very important that you connect with a lot of like-minded people and network with them, get to know them and understand them, and make them a part of your journey. Now, when I joined the SAA mastermind, I got a chance to connect with a lot of like-minded people, and that's the best thing of going to any big events or mastermind, joining any mastermind. That is the best part. You get to hang out with all those good people, right? So, and because of that, I actually had my first 30K sale in my marketing journey, and that's because of profitable networking, being with people who want to make it, who are serious and make it happen. So that's the best part of joining a mastermind, or maybe even going into big events like the Fun and Hacking Live or Tony Robbins. I don't know, the big guys. If you just go there, connect with a lot of people as you can, and then that friendship is gonna be it's gonna be a different world for you after that. So let me just break it down for you. Why this is the best thing for beginners. Now the strategy that we have talking from the past, the Facebook organic, the connecting and the networking. Why is it the best thing for beginners, right? So when a beginners comes to after marketing, they be confused and like they're gonna go and do what, like even myself, what I did, I went and started a blog. I wasted a lot of money there, and then I went to do YouTube. I spent a lot of time there, and then I went even wasted so much money on ads and everything, and there was no return, right? So the best thing for beginners is to do the Facebook organic, because they don't want to invest any money into it. They just have to invest their time and be consistent with their daily action plan. So that's why Facebook organic, doing after marketing with Facebook organic is the best thing for beginners, right? The next thing is that where to find hot buyers for your product. So uh, the first thing is that whenever you go to sell your product, you need to find people who have money, right? You need to go and find people who have money to buy. And some of the ways to find people is that guru pages. Like if you just go to Grant Cardone, Russell Brunson, or maybe the Robert Kiyosaki. So there are people who are in our industry. Go for follow the pages, and there will be people who are engaging on their posts. Add them as a friends, and then you might even see guru ads. This is the best one. The ads is the best one, I would say. The people who comment on the ads, and don't add everyone. Read comments that are people who are interested in what they're offering. Add those people, start messaging them, and then relevant free groups and relevant paid groups. This is the best one as well. The paid group is so good because these people are already qualified because they just paid money, and they are ready to pay more money because they are in the industry and they want to just learn more and make more money. So the best thing in this four, I would say, is guru ads and paid groups. So even you can get to paid groups just by paying even like $1 on all those stuff. There are uh, courses that offer free trial. When you get access to it, you just go join the Facebook group, and if you think that you don't getting any value from it, you just cancel it. Then you're gonna get access to the Facebook group. Yeah. The next thing is that opening script and follow. This is very important. So what should be the opening script? So if when you add someone as friends, you can just say simply as, hey, good connecting with you, hope you're doing good, how's your week going, or something. You can say, hey, good connecting, I saw you from XYZ and group, and if that person has bought any courses or anything that related to their profile. So if they're from from any place that you're so that's in your bucket list of travel, right? So and say, hey, you're from there, I mean, I love to travel there, and all those stuff. So that gonna help to build that trust and things in the beginning space as well. So you can even say simple things as, hey, good connecting, how are you? But you can even go in deep and say, hey, good connecting, I saw in XYZ group, how is that going, and all those stuff. And then just a small initial conversation in the beginning, right? And then down the line they're going to ask you what you're doing, and then you can turn that into a sales conversation. And once you take them through the sales process and all those stuff, and then you present your offer, then maybe some people are gonna ghost you forever. So and then that's when you do the follow up. So what are the things that you can do on follow up? So in follow up, you can do things like, hey, I just wanna pop this top of inbox. You can text like, hey, I just wanna pop this to top of your inbox, or you can even send a GIF of some ghost GIF, or maybe you know like a person talking to the wall, or GIF like the Mr. Bean waiting for any car on the road. That GIF is so good. So any GIF that makes the people laugh, right? And then you can even send a text like, "Hey, are you alive? LOL." All those kinds. So I've tested these things and I have got my prospect messaging back, and it's really working. And you just need to be consistent. And when I say consistent, you can even test like after 24 hours when the initial conversation is happen, or maybe after 1 day or 2 days. I mean 2 days, so maybe even 3 days. Don't make it more than that. I would say highly recommend you do follow up within like 24 hours. But you may after 5 follow up, even they didn't even reply. Let it be there for at least 2 weeks, and then after 2 weeks, it's follow up again. Okay. The next thing is that the only reason you won't succeed. So the only reason, so it's a numbers game, right? So the Facebook organic is a numbers game. In the beginning, it's really a numbers game. So if you just go and message 10 people, add 10 people as a friends, and you start messaging them, after 10, one are gonna say yes to your offer, right? So not everyone is gonna say yes to your offer unless they are targeted audience, and you did a good job in on the sales process. So it's all about a numbers game. If you go and look at the all these uh, 8-figure earners on the ClickFunnels group who did Facebook guy, they will say that they used to message 20 people per 1 hour, right? 20 people, that's insane. I don't know how they're going to do that, but they said 20 people per hour. That's really, I don't know. I even tried, but it's so hard to keep up with that kind of number. I would never say that you go and do 20, but at least 10, it's really a good number to do per day. So message 10 people a day, and then add them to a list, because on Messenger, once you send those kind of people, you can't just scroll back and take the old message. So add them to a list of follow up, and then from there you can uh, or maybe add a CRM in on your active campaign if you have, or you can even just have a notepad, and then just add there. That's it. So let me just do a recap. So as you know, that the best thing for beginners is Facebook organic, because they don't want to spend any money or any funnel or any software. It's all organic. They just have to spend time. And it's very important that you connect with a lot of people in the industry, because networking is very important. And if you get a chance to join any mastermind or attend any events, go and do that, because those kind of things are the one, like if you're serious, right? If you're serious to make things happen like that, you're gonna go and build those kind of relationship, and you really want to hang out with those kind of people, right? And not only that, gonna help you in your business, they're gonna help you boost your business in so much way that they're gonna give you recommendation strategies and all those stuff. So where do you find hot buyers? So the hot buyers, the best thing is from Guru ads and the paid Facebook groups. And the thing is, the opening script can be anything, as no, never say just hi. Say, hey, good connecting, hope you're doing good, how's the week going? So something related to their profile, or maybe if you add them from a group, say that, hey, I saw you in XYZ in group, and start the conversation from there. And once you offer them your product or your program, and if you think they're good fit, then you must sell them, right? You must sell them, because I always say this over and over again. I actually ghosted that guy, the guy who sold me to SAA for almost 3 months, but he was so consistent with his follow up. Like, he was so good at follow up, he was so good at closing, that he really closed me, and I'm thankful to that guy. So once you close that person to any program that you think that you're gonna teach them a good skill, then they're gonna thank you forever, right? So you have you have a huge responsibility if you think that person is a good fit. And now people in the beginning, people are gonna say they don't have the money and all those stuff, but it's your duty to close them, and and then they can thank you after that. The next thing is that the only reason you want to succeed, it's a numbers game, guys. So if you're doing Facebook organic, it's a numbers game. Now I'm not saying you can do Facebook organic for your like for maybe, I don't know, for years. All you have to do is at least 6 months. That's it. 3 months, like for me it took 3 months to get the ball rolling. For some people it's like 1 month, 2 months, or maybe 1 week, right? So once you at least do it for 6 months, when you have this all those success stories and all those testimonials and all those screenshots, what's going to happen is that then attraction marketing kicks in. People going to start come to you when they see awesome content, all those stuff. So you just have to do for at least like 6 months, and when you have that those money, you can go and apply some other things as well, to maybe start a blog or maybe start running ads and all those stuff. Yeah. So for today, this is, guys, so the biggest takeaway from this one should be start networking with people who are in your industry and who are really doing good. And even if they are like not doing good, you can connect with those people, network them, and help them, and they might even join you in future and may be your customer. So networking is very, very, very important, and I think in any industry. All right, guys, thank you. Bye bye.